Unit 12, Imperatives.
Clean up your room. It's time for bed.
Okay.
Close the window. It's cold outside.
Okay.
Take an umbrella. It is raining.
Of course.
Don't tell a lie. I know the truth.
I see.
Grammar tips.
Tips for imperatives. Imperatives are used to give commands. They tell to do something. A verb is put at the beginning to make it affirmative. A base verb is always used for imperatives. Don't is used before affirmative imperatives to make it negative.
Examples.
Let's look at some examples. We will do affirmative to negative. The first one says, stand up. The negative is, don't stand up. The next one is, close the door. Negative is, don't close the door. The next one says, sing a song. The negative form is, don't sing a song. And the last one, drink this water. The negative is, don't drink this water.
Right and wrong.
Now let's look at the right and wrong section. The first one says, makes a toy rabbit. This is wrong. There should not be an S on the verb makes. The correct sentence is, make a toy rabbit. The next one says, takes an apple. There should not be an S on the verb takes. The correct sentence is, take an apple. The next one says, doesn't play a trick. We use don't for negative, not doesn't. The next one says, don't place a trick. There should be no S on the verb plays. The correct sentence is, don't play a trick.
Grammar tips.
Tips for be verb imperatives. The base verb be, not am, are, is used in be verb imperatives. The base verb be is used with don't to make it negative.
Examples.
Let's take a look at some examples. We're changing affirmative to negative. The first one says, be quiet. The negative is, don't be quiet. You put don't before be. The next one says, be silly. The negative is, don't be silly.
Right and wrong.
Now let's look at the right and wrong section. The first one say, are happy. The next one says, do happy. These are wrong because we use the base verb be with adjectives. The correct sentence is, be happy. The next one says, not happy. This is wrong because there is no verb. The next one says, don't happy. This is wrong because you need the base verb be. Be not happy is wrong because we put don't be in front of the adjective. The correct answer is, don't be happy.
Quiz.
Find the correct answer. Blank nice. Nice is an adjective. It goes with base verb be. Correct sentence is C. Be nice. Blank read the book. Read is a base verb. It goes with a do verb. The answer is B. Don't read the book. Don't blank on the bed. We have don't. We need a base verb. The answer is B. Jump. Don't jump on the bed. Blank honest. Honest is an adjective, so we use be. Be honest. Change the negative sentences to imperatives. The example says, you don't do your homework. The imperative is do your homework. The negative is don't do your homework. You don't wash your hands. The imperative is wash your hands. The negative is don't wash your hands. You don't study hard. The imperative is study hard. The negative is don't study hard. You aren't honest. The imperative is be honest. The negative is don't be honest.
Quiz.
Draw a line to make a sentence. Swim. This goes with in the pool. Swim in the pool. Study. This goes with English. Study English. Be. This goes with careful. Be careful. Don't. This goes with drive fast. Don't drive fast. B. Listen to your teacher. There is no be with verbs. So the sentence is, listen to your teacher. B. Have kind to old people. You don't use the verb. The sentence should be kind to old people. Don't read the story. There's no be with the verb read. The sentence should be, don't read the story. Be not sick. Don't goes before be. The sentence should be, don't be sick. Thinks deeply. There should be no S on think. The sentence should be, think deeply. Doesn't make any noise. The word make goes with don't. The sentence should be, don't make any noise. Make a sentence using the words. The first one says, where is coming from this noise? It's a question, so where comes first? Where is this noise coming from? The next one says, you're coming from its brother's room. The sentence is, it's coming from your brother's room. Look at the next one. Loud, turn off, music, the. The sentence should be, turn off the loud music. This one says, me, shout at, don't. The sentence is, don't shout at me. And the last one says, the door, close. The sentence is, close the door.